Let me talk about critical infrastructures first. For all the investments in digital technologies for smart city infrastructure, none of them can or should fail. They're the living blocks of live, work, learn, work and play ideals, and if any of them fail, the city operations fail. So strengthening the critical infrastructures in a smart city, in particular water, electricity, drainage and transportation systems, is a necessary part of the evolution of smart cities. So information technologies such as IoT and AI can help make infrastructure operation and maintenance more efficient, monitor the risks and enable residents to cope with emergencies. During COVID-19, cities across Asia Pacific are leveraging multiple technologies such as heat-sensitive CCTV cameras, population monitoring and enforcement, image video capture devices, IoT sensors, and so forth to enable better population movement management as well as contact tracing. But physical infrastructure and technology investments is not enough. Societal resilience is often the biggest gap. So making citizens aware, engaging communities in initiatives such as wearing protective face masks, deploying contactless delivery capabilities, and using touchless services for payment, check-in and check-out will become the norm across many of Asia Pacific cities. So city governments are really looking to ramp up their ability to remotely collaborate across government, infrastructure operators, employers and citizens to respond to these emergencies. They're also using automation that is empowered by digital 3D digital city twins, which have the ideal state to ensure all operational bases are tracked, analysed and covered with the proper emergency redundancies. So on that note, let me present to you the finalists and winners who have rolled out outstanding initiatives under the category of critical infrastructure. The 2020 finalists in the Disaster Response and Emergency Management category are the DATOS Project, National Disaster Remote Sensing and Data Science Help Desk, EQRnet, the Earthquake Response Management, Flooded Roads Smart Warning System, the NB-IoT Smart City Fire Control, and Zhengzhou City Brain COVID-19 Epidemic Prevention and Control Project. And the winner is the EQRnet Earthquake Response Management from City of Christchurch and Canterbury Seismic Instruments in New Zealand. EQRnet is a dense network of 150 seismic sensors developed by Canterbury Seismic Instruments and deployed across the city in collaboration with the City Council to track data to manage earthquake response in real time. The next category is in the category of smart water, and the finalists for 2020 are Intelligent Sewage Control Service, Reducing Urban Impacts on the Great Barrier Reef, Smart Water Sensors, Tainan's Smart Flood Prevention Network Construction Plan, and Underground Antenna and Excavation Sensing Device. And the winners in this category are the Underground Antenna and Excavation Sensing Device from Korea District Heating Corp and LG U+. This project in Korea included excavation detection sensors that use sensing pattern algorithm technology to detect unreported excavation and plumbing abnormalities such as leakage and corrosion among pipelines. The second winner is the Tainan Smart Flood Prevention Network Construction Plan, and this is a smart flood prevention solution deploying sensors for floodgates and water level monitoring in the low-lying coastal areas of Tainan. The next category is sustainable infrastructure, and the finalists in 2020 are Blockchain Initiative for Renewable Energy Using Palm Oil, the Energy Data for Smart Decision Making, the Integrated City Brain Solution for Urban City and Ecological Management, and Smart Poles for a Sustainable and Scalable Smart City. And the winner in this category, the winners in this category are energy data for smart decision making from a collaboration between New South Wales and Victorian beaches in Australia. This open modelling platform provides an interactive map of Australia that uses spatial data, solar exposure and energy time series data to help make informed decisions around investments for the potential of solar power generation. The second winner is the Smart Poles for a Sustainable and Scalable Smart City in New Delhi. This project included deploying 55 smart poles in the first phase by the Delhi Municipal Corporation that have integrated sensors, cameras and devices to track quality of air, provide fibre connectivity, crime monitoring and traffic management. And the next category is transportation infrastructure, and the finalists are Advanced Intelligent Road Network with Common Spatial Data Infrastructure and 3D Digital Map, Intelligent Traffic Control and Roads Management Solution, Minor Accident Remote Handling System, Penang Smart Parking, and Tainan Smart Transportation System. And the winner is the Minor Accident Remote Handling System from the Shenzhen government and Ping An Group in China. Faced with over 700 minor accidents during the morning and evening peaks on average, the Smart Traffic Department of Ping An Smart City and the Shenzhen Traffic Police worked together to create this Minor Accident Rapid Remote Handling System, which has helped accident clearance time range from 2 minutes to 4.8 minutes on average. Congratulations to our finalists and winners on the theme of critical infrastructure.